can't do this one.
Okay.
But just to this.
Oh, good. It's you. Listen, it's getting late, and I need to brush my teeth. Can you do me a favor?
Don't let the pigeons up late. Thanks. First of all, I'm not tired. I'm in the mood to a hot dog party.
Yeah?
What do you say? No? I say there's a good show about birds tonight.
Should be very educational. How about 5 more minutes?
Come on. Where's the 5 minutes in the golden and I don't
In the grand scheme of things.
What? I'm not tired.
You know, we never get to talk anymore.
Tell me about your day. Oh, I have a good idea. Let's count the stars. Can I have a glass of water?
Studies show that pigeons hardly sleep at all.
Hey! Ho, ho! This for Pigeon Land. This echo. Please!
It's the middle.
Of the day.
And China.
I'll go to bed early tomorrow night instead.
My bunny says
Wants to.
stay up late. You can't say no to a bunny, can you?
Good job.
That was a yarn! I'm switching. I'm 100% awake.
110% awake. You haven't.
Oh, the best of me. Good night.
Great work. Thanks.
Good night. A hot dog putty? That one is Game in the Bell. I like that one.
The end. Hey, Sam, who wrote that book?
Maroons.
Do you like him?
Yep.
What else did he write?
Big and Elephant and Big Frog Can't Fit and
Any other pigeon books?
Yep. And probably I don't know some other books he wrote.
All right.
Okay, Juju.
Charlie, what do you have?
School bus.
A school bus?
School bus.
And what's this thingy? Sammy, don't make him cry. What's this thing? What's this?
Look.
Yeah, it's a truck and a school bus. Awesome.
Bus.
All right, can you guys say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Good night.